You just ripped the fuse out of a firework and then just placed it back in. Not again!
Fucking hell, I'm not ready, hang on. Fucking hell.
Fucking hell, it's fucking pointing this way.
Fucking hell. Go. Wow. Fucking hell. Yes!
Fucking hell, it's like one from the riverside.
Put the fucking lid back on the box. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Wow!
It sounds like a thing. Fuck off! Fucking hell. I have never felt like I was gonna die.
I feel like it's gonna match.
Ah!
Oi! Oh!
Go! Hey! Hey! Slower and slower. Oh god!
Fucking hell.
It's fallen
Hit him in
over.
the wrong- Shit, it's fell over. Try to go and stand it up.
Can't fucking breathe. Oh, it's lit.
Fucking little but deadly, these ones, I think.
Little but deadly.
Is that it?
Do we know what this one is or does?
It's the light sideways, so I don't know.
Light it sideways. What? Whoa, what the fuck? Stop getting closer.
Go on, get closer. Hey!
Fucking hell.
The roof.
The roof.
Someone's got in the eye.
Yeah, mine too. Fuck. What's this, a rocket?
Yeah, and I don't feel like it's gonna fly. Took in that tube with you.
Ah, it's fine. What the fuck?
Jesus Christ, what the fuck was that?
One of them loud ones.
Yeah, I know, I'm ready.
Oh,
Oh, don't like that! That's it!
Shaking the face.
I know! Oh, that's alright, I can deal with that. Oh, I can't deal with that! There we go, we got the first C-bomb.
I don't like looking at it.
I don't, I'm ready. Why? Fucking hell, man, you're brave.
It's not the fire stuff at your face.
I know, there's stuff going in my eyes. Whoa! I'm recording this because I want to get the run.
Cropsy.
Fucking hell! It sparked on my hand. Oh, hey, yo,
That is a long fuse. Fucking hell. Fuck! Oh, I didn't. Whoa! Come on.
I am hiding.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Freaking hell.
I like the blue. Fucking hell.
It's like lava.
It's gonna go off at an angle. I fucking knew it. Fucking hell.
Hold it steady! Steady, Larry!
Don't move!
I don't like this one.
I don't. Fucking hell! Fucking run.
Nigel, get back.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, get up there. Yeah, I hope you fucking did there.
Go!
Wait.
Whoa!
Come on, hello. Where they're coming from?
Over there.
Else is swimming.
Hello.
There's loads to get.
Whoa! I don't like that.
Oh shit, it's gone out. Go and check it, Nigel.
Shit, listen. Yes!
Oh my god! Fucking hell, the bushes!
Ah! Yeah, they are arching towards us a bit like.
That was a nice one to end on. Yeah.